Neymar sends message to Lionel Messi after beating Kylian Mbappe in World Cup final. Neymar has sent a classy message of congratulations brother Lionel Messi after his World Cup triumph over France and Paris Saint-Germain teammate Kylian Mbappe. The Brazilian star, whose nation were dumped out of the tournament in the quarterfinals, watched from home as neighbors Argentina dramatically came out on the top in jaw-dropping final on Sunday, which finished 3-3 after extra time, but Neymar was willing to put the South American rivalry side in awe of Messi's achievement as he won the World Cup at the age of 35. Congratulations, brother, the 30-year-old wrote on Instagram as he shared a photo of Messi kissing the trophy in the Lusail Stadium. Unfortunately, Neymar won't be able to say the same to the another of his teammate at the Parc des Princes, as Mbappe went home with only the golden boot and a silver medal. Despite scoring a remarkable hat-trick which helped France come from behind twice, Mbappe ended up on the losing side, finishing as the top goal scorer of the tournament with 8 goals.